Hello. Today the topic of our video is how to connect our conversation AI or voice AI agents to our workflows. So in the last few videos we discussed how to create a conversation AI agent or a voice AI agent. So basically you will go to a conversation AI section. Here I open a simple bot. You will go to bot goals where the main thing will be done. Here you can see an option trigger a workflow. We'll click it and you can create the action and here you will select the workflows you want to connect. Okay, and you can connect two to three more than one workflow. Here you will give a simple instruction to your bot to when to trigger that workflow, so that action will be created by the bot. Okay, so for example I write that when the client want to book appointments. So when the bot will see that the client is looking to book an appointment, it will trigger that workflow. So our appointment booking workflow will be triggered. So you can also and in the voice agent, mm, for example, I go here, agent goals. Here you can trigger workflow and you can select any workflow, for example. So that workflow will be triggered. So simply you can see how these workflows can be triggered by using our bots. For example, your bots. So I will give you a real life example how this will be very useful to your business. For example, I will give you a different example for first for a conversation AI example. You receive a Instagram DM about your business, and the client is, for example, you are in a real estate business, and the client want to he selected a plot and he want to set up a meeting or a visit to the plot. So the conversation, the bot will trigger the workflow that you have already created to select the most appropriate meeting time that you are available on, so that the workflow will be triggered. It can contain calendar where it can the user can book an appointment, and that workflow will also contain email and SMS notification that if the workflow is triggered and the time is booked, the email or SMS notification will be sent to you or your client after the confirmation of the meeting. Similarly, in the voice agent, when a you can say when an order is being booked on a restaurant and the agent is booking the user give the order, you can say the condition that when the user give the order, you will trigger this workflow. So basically what that workflow is, that workflow may be an invoice workflow, so the invoice will be generated to your system. So these are some of the basic examples what you can achieve through this uh, the use of conversation or voice agent through workflows. So in the next video we'll cover some more topics about. So in these 4 to 5 last videos we covered AI agents briefly, and the upcoming videos I will discuss some more features of the Go high level. So hop on over this genre and subscribe and like our channel.